Hello guys, and welcome back to Bittruth with your host Mark Luther. In today's video we are doing a day mining video. Of course, today is the 31st of May 2018, and today we're entering nearly like June, nearly tomorrow. And as you can see, we're not mining Zcash, we're mining right now some Haven protocol, XHV, and it's really profitable at the moment. As we can see, the hash rate really keeps dumping and pumping because it's really low difficulty coin. I recommend you guys to check it out. Okay, I'm posting a tutorial after this video. As you can see, $7.12 a day. That's insane, guys. $7.12 a day. You should actually mine this while the craze is happening. Okay, and I'll put links of this pool and on CoinMarketCap down in the description, in the comments, because in the description sometimes it errors. So anyways, let's go to Haven protocols. Now this coin is really volatile. Okay, its price really keeps pumping and dumping, pumping and dumping. Okay, but it's really interesting. This coin was once at $6.39. So if you mine 9 coins a day, 6 times 9 is about $54. So $54 a day if you hodl this coin. And this coin really can reach huge prices. $4. You had about like $3. So really, I think that the Haven protocol, or XHV, is really interesting project. Check it out, guys. The markets, you can actually buy on Trade Ogre, Nanex, and you can actually deposit it there. You can get your address. A tutorial will come after this video to explain how to mine it, how to deposit it, and how to change it to Bitcoin, and how to have a happy day. Anyways, you having now on Twitter, they're having a really huge social network. Okay, they're really like socially like strong when it comes to actually like talking to their audience or their target market. And as you can see, 50 XHV giveaway, the Haven protocol card. So they really do a lot of giveaways and like winning and stuff and shipping cards. So I really don't understand what the project is about, but what is interesting is that it's really like profitable to mine it at the moment. So I'm really just mining it to Trade Ogre account. Okay, and now we're going to our articles. CPA group presses IRS for clarity on crypto taxation. Now, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, okay, what they're doing is right now they're actually trying to make more regulations, okay, more guidance on matters like gain and loss reporting, expenses related to cryptocurrency mining, chain splits, okay, airdrops and more. So you're going to have more problems with IRS by the end of this year. Anyways, virtual currencies as property for taxation purposes, that's what the IRS actually like telling people it's regarded for. Okay, the agency has not released any additional guidelines despite pleas from the industry to do so. Now let me tell you why they didn't actually post this. It's actually really obvious. It's because we are in a bearish market. If they come right now, step in and just say we are making new guidelines, new taxation on Bitcoin, what do you think people who are hodling Bitcoin at the current moment in this bearish market, what do you think they're going to say? Do you think they're going to actually submit their taxes? Hell no, they're not going to do so. When they're going to actually push their guidelines when Bitcoin is going to have its next bull market. Okay, in December when we saw that bull market, the IRS step in really fast and they tried to actually put taxation, but it didn't work since it really dumped really fast and they actually pulled their regulations away. So they're really going back and forth because of crypto volatility. What do I think of this? I think like by the end of this year we're going to see taxation, since a lot of like technical analysis suggests that we're going to have a bullish market, which is really highly inaccurate, but any chance is really good. Okay, now another article is, as banks crack down on crypto companies, this Lithuanian payments startup is booming. So as you can see here, it goes to talk about Barclays and Bank of America, how they're actually treating their customers that treat with cryptocurrencies. Okay, and now, okay, in Gibraltar you have Poland, Bulgaria, Liechtenstein, I think, and Lithuania. The crackdown on crypto has been a big news for their more liberal banking landscapes. Now they don't really ban Bitcoin, but they really allow Bitcoin. They really allow cryptocurrencies. I think also Georgia is also added to the list, since they had some articles like weeks ago about joining in cryptocurrencies. Anyways, CEO Andreas, I think, Raman, whatever his name is, told Forbes that the vast increase was the result of 1,000 crypto marketplace businesses like CoinGate, CoinEx and CoinFalcon, which had signed up to the service to handle their fiat payments over the last 12 months. So this is interesting. We're seeing actually another country step in, just like Brazil yesterday. We're seeing it step in. The more players we have, the more money we have, the more bullish markets you would expect. The higher the price of Bitcoin, the happier we are as miners. Anyways, in Gibraltar, the government is in the final stages of passing the world's first regulations for ICOs, and in Liechtenstein, the royal family has been so welcoming to the blockchain business that companies like Eternity are flocking to the principality. Okay, whatever that is, I'm seeing that cryptocurrency is going to expand to different places of the world, and cryptocurrency businesses or cryptocurrency exchanges, in like an overview, you can see them actually flocking to different places. Like Binance flocked from China or left from China and went to Malta. Some businesses going to different parts of the world, because some parts of the world, they really need like a new revolutionary thing. Okay, they really need like a stronger economy. Okay, so what they had to do is, let's bring the blockchain technology. It will help us actually make more money. Okay, and I think we read an article like weeks ago, okay, about Singapore. Singapore is also having its own crypto hub, okay, where they're going to have a lot of money, okay, coming in from companies and crypto businesses. So it's really huge, guys. You really need to actually think about this, and you really need to think about Haven Protocol tutorial coming out after this. Okay, but keep in mind, this coin is really volatile, and it's really just volatile, I think, because of the price. And you can have a lot of connection errors in the server itself, not in the mining. As you can see now, it's going on a downward spiral, so you need to expect some like downwards. As you can see now, we're making 1.82 kilohash. We're making $3.80 a day. At least it's better than Zcash, and it's more energy efficient, doesn't take that much money. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you have anything in the comments, just comment down below, drop a like, share this video, share the XHV protocol, and see you guys on the next video, which is a tutorial.